Okay, so we're looking at another problem. This is a word problem where we do need to use the law of exponents. Now, the question is, which law are we using? We're given the area of a rectangle right here. The area is 21x to the 10th, y to the 6th, and the length of the rectangle is 7x to the 7th, y to the 4th. What we're trying to find is the width. Okay? If you recall, area is length times width. So if we're trying to find the width, we're going to be doing the opposite of multiplying. We're going to divide. So we take the area, the entire area of the entire rectangle, and we're going to divide it by the length, which is 7x to the 7th, y to the 4th. And that should give us our width. And we'll find out what that is. Now, the law that you need to remember for this one is the law of division. So if we have x to the 8th divided by x to the 3rd, we subtract the exponents to get x to the 5th. Okay, so that's the rule that you're going to use when dividing. Subtract the exponents. Okay? So when we're looking at ours over here, keep in mind you're only subtracting the exponents. The numbers in the front should be divided like normal. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. And then from here we subtract our exponents. 10 minus 7 is 3, so x to the 3rd. And then the y's, 6 minus 4 is 2, so y to the 2nd. And that right there is our width of the rectangle.